Delicious keto smoothie bowls, a perfect low-carb treat for health enthusiasts. In the world of health and wellness, the ketogenic diet has become a prominent trend for those seeking to maintain a low-carb lifestyle. Among the various recipes that cater to this dietary preference, keto smoothie bowls stand out for their versatility, nutritional value, and simplicity. In this article, we'll explore how to create delicious keto smoothie bowls, a perfect option for a nutritious breakfast or a refreshing snack. The basics of keto smoothie bowls. Keto smoothie bowls are more than just your average smoothie. They are a thicker, spoonable version of the traditional smoothie, often topped with various keto-friendly ingredients. The key to a perfect keto smoothie bowl lies in its low carbohydrate content, high fat, and moderate protein, aligning with the fundamental principles of the ketogenic diet. Ingredients selection. The base of any keto smoothie bowl is typically made from a blend of low-carb fruits, such as berries, like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, and a creamy element like avocado or coconut milk. These ingredients not only provide a smooth texture but also add essential nutrients and healthy fats. For the liquid component, options like almond milk, coconut milk, or even water are ideal, as they are low in carbs and calories. To enhance the nutritional value, you can add protein powder, preferably one with no added sugars, chia seeds, or flax seeds, which are excellent sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Flavor enhancers and sweeteners. To add more flavor without increasing the carb count, consider incorporating natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. Spices such as cinnamon, vanilla extract, or unsweetened cocoa powder can also be great additions to enhance the taste without adding extra carbs. The art of topping. One of the most exciting aspects of keto smoothie bowls is the variety of toppings you can use. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, offer a crunchy texture and are packed with healthy fats. Unsweetened coconut flakes, a dollop of nut butter, or a few low-carb fruits can also be sprinkled on top for added flavor and nutrients. Preparation tips. To prepare a keto smoothie bowl, start by blending your base ingredients until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a bit more liquid to reach your desired texture. Pour the blend into a bowl, and then have fun with your toppings, arranging them in an appealing and appetizing way. Nutritional benefits. Keto smoothie bowls are not only delicious but also highly nutritious. They are rich in healthy fats from ingredients like avocados and nuts, which can help in maintaining heart health and promoting satiety. The berries provide antioxidants, while the added seeds and nuts offer a good source of protein and fiber, essential for digestive health. Customization for dietary needs. One of the best things about keto smoothie bowls is their adaptability. They can easily be customized to fit individual dietary needs and preferences. For instance, if you are dairy-free, you can opt for coconut or almond milk. Those who prefer a protein-rich diet can add more protein powder or nut butter. Conclusion. Keto smoothie bowls are an excellent way to start your day or as a midday snack to keep you energized and satisfied. They blend the principles of the ketogenic diet with the pleasure of enjoying a delicious and visually appealing meal. With endless possibilities for customization, they are a delightful treat for anyone following a low-carb lifestyle. So, next time you are in the mood for something sweet, nutritious, and keto-friendly, consider making a keto smoothie bowl. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.